I got into it because I'm really bored at my normal high school. I've always been kind of a mechanical mind, so I've been working on stuff, tinkering on stuff. I rebuilt a couple of cars.
Second year in the program and just having fun, working with machines I like to work with and talking to the people that are interested in the same thing I am.
This puts you in a group of people that have a similar goal, similar interests, so it really helps build some friendships from farther around the state than you would normally get.
When we get to get hands-on the machines, it's probably hands down my favorite part.
Favorite part of the day has got to be working on the lathes.
Big part of the day is flipping that big fat switch in the back of the machine I run. Just a big solid thunk. Just a nice, satisfying way to start the day here. We have a lot of cool machines here. We have some of those newer Haas machines that really emulate the stuff that's in the workforce right now.
I've toured quite a few shops since coming to Sno-Isle, and the stuff they have there is really comparable to the stuff we have here and the stuff that we're going to use in the real world.
Project I've done is a hammer. Start off on the CNC lathe over there, and it cuts out the hammerhead for you. And then you have to take a piece of steel and turn that into the handle.
Plan after graduation is to go to a secondary school such as Seattle Maritime Academy to learn how to work in the engine rooms of boats and ships across the Puget Sound in the world.
I'm going to try to head into industrial maintenance, so actually working on these machines, keeping them up and running, keeping the surrounding equipment up and running too.
I'm looking into opportunities everywhere. It could be tech school, but it could also be going straight into an apprenticeship somewhere. You really need to love being hands-on, but you also need to be able to sit in a classroom for 30 minutes and learn.
Definitely try out the program. If you join your junior year, you have a whole year to try it. If you don't like it, there's 22 other programs at this school that you can try.
Don't be afraid that it's going to be too much or you don't know enough already. You just learn so much. It's super easy to advance, and you can really push it to be whatever you want.
When I wake up in the morning, I can't wait to work on the new project that I'm working on in Sno-Isle.
Super excited to be here every day. That half-hour bus ride is just full of anticipation, ready to get here.